Alright, this is Ben Hawk, and this is my venture to move my eBay business from my house into my new shed warehouse office conversion. And we have got some serious progress today. That cabinet's installed properly, that cabinet's installed, that one's 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 installed, and that one's installed. So basically, all my lowers in that area are installed. Just got to do the part that comes from the wall out to where that cabinet is, and then I got to get some stuff to make the countertops. Those cabinets still have yet to decide. I'm thinking that these three are the same. I'm thinking about coming across with at least two of them. I need this area right here for the photographs, so I'm thinking at least probably putting the two of them right here and maybe one right here. That'll cover those three, and that's leaving me with a handful of these right here, the skinny ones. Four of them actually. No. I've got four of those four of those double cabinets. So I might go 1, 2, 3, 4. A skinny cabinet's going right there, like I told in the last video, to cover that up. And that's pretty much all the cabinets in that area, because I need that space for taking pictures. So we're going to have counter come from here over to the corner, over top of this area right here where the air conditioner is, coming to right here, and then it's going to drop down to desk level, which is at the top of these cabinets, go out to the corner, and come here to this cabinet. That's going to be the desk area. Then we're going to come back up to the cabinet height, and we're going to come, it's going to go kind of an L shape and go right there to there. And again, there's going to be the slat wall going up just to the top of the wall and across. It's not going to go up into the peak. It's just going to go to the level where the wall ends. And that's going to do it. I mean, we're moving right along. Now that we got the cabinets and we're starting to get them, or now that I have the cabinets and I'm starting to get them installed, things are starting to come together. I really believe that I will be moving in here by January 1st. I would hope so. March, April, May 1st. My days and my months are mixed up right now. But yeah, I want to be in here by May 1st, 2018. And it's looking like we're probably going to be able to make that deadline. Trying to think of anything else. Again, I patched up the holes where I was checking for the leak and found the window leaking. You can see that in another video where I used an endoscope. I got to readjust my camera up there because I had it looking down there. But still have to muck from here to the wall and that wall. So we're getting there. I appreciate you guys following me, and if you like these videos, give them a thumbs up and hit subscribe and click the little bell. You'll be notified as I upload new ones. This is Ben Hawk. Again, have a cha-ching day.